Now only can know for the first time saw another country flag. Go to Russia to fight Nigeria. Say, they say pride will take you nowhere. Now lie your weight may you get boiled for armpit. You must raise shoulder, go chemist. Pride will take you to chemist. Nigeria don't tofu. The way Nigeria tough now, I swear to God, if hard times pass through Nigeria, it goes soft. You never know. Everybody now, they do everything to survive. One of my neighbor, no work, where that guy never try do. Money no they come, now him provoke. He says they when go die useless. He go use person. Now he carry his own girlfriend picture, say he won't go do ritual. As him go, give the picture to the babalawo. The babalawo look the picture, now he fall in love with his girlfriend. No be that one be the problem. As I talk to her now, that my neighbor they mad. As we they talk, now in they go, okay, no be by boy, so by leg. Yo, when I enjoy for this Lagos, no be sure now pay like this. Everybody pay table. Some people no even come. They don't pay for the table, no come. Spend money for no reason. For that our side, God forbid bad thing. May we even buy regular 5,000. It's too expensive. Laugh don't cost 18. For that side, person put in show, laughing stock. He still collect money. For that side, if we pay 2,000 naira, I swear to God, I leave Baba go perform. See Lagos here now. I see put this show now. Una no care to know who come, who no come, so long as the show is sweet. She can now, for that our side, they pay to 2,000. They go on the show 11 a.m. When a person day here pay 2 million for table, when they come around 10 p.m. Wasted resources. We pay 2,000, we start to laugh from 12 in the afternoon till 12 in the night. Again, the way M.O.P go perform, we know like I go perform again, we punch it. My heart end 2,000, for that our side, you don't ever go show for a place like Sokoto. Now Sokoto, I go do show. Regular, 1,000. They still price up. The boys then just gather come and like 11 a.m. They'll come when they'll face the greet to now and say, yeah, they senior man. Well done, organizer. Poor new comedian, Sarkin Dariya. Yawa. All this hailing now so that 5 p.m. then go enter for free. Now, as the show don't start around 5, 6, you know, let them enter, they know they talk, you know, then they get one when they lead them, that one will just work out come. Go come hail MC, say, MC. Go come speak one English. God bless you, Jesus. Very funny MC. We therefore hear her in case she no fool. Around 9 p.m. now, they'll come go na bounce and then go meet. They'll come meet bounce and come tell her, senior man. Yeah, they. We don't check inside me and my friends. We see never full. How far? We can peel in the gap. Hey, there for here, no problem. We know the rush. Yo, around 11, they'll go look again. Yeah, they senior man. We no go enter. Wasted space. Look at it. You know full, we say you know full. Now we go full on. You don't go understand. God go help you. Say that they don't go decide. Say them go buy the ticket 1,000 come. They know this. Not to consign them with front seat. Now for back, where they feed the gossip you. As the comedian just on stage, performing this young chief. As in the entire go say, yeah, ne Raman why one nam say young chief. Yeah, young chief. She don't perform. Them go tikam. Then they use their money small be that. That 1,000 where they pay each comedian 15 naira. Say performing this, a do picking. Say, don't borrow by do picking. One now by the beginning, but no be beginning. She come from pony guy. A zo picking. Tick out. M.O.P go come perform. They say M.O.P go say, no. Now this one she get show. For this one put a 100 naira. Tick out. Now, as they tick, they go. Don't notice say they don't tick all the name. One go see answer say, Kai. They don't cheat us. He gave person when never perform. Now the one boy say, yeah, M.O.P. Kwankoloza. He went to cheat boys. What's going on? I see everybody she don't perform. What of anime anymore? You see all the gara on they look for this Lagos for social media. I they look when they laugh. You know say on social media they look. We they do real life. For that was like, see them do protest for this Lagos now. Nobody injure, nobody do anything. Not just the make noise, end bad governance, end hunger. Say I beg. May this protest end for here. We that side anything when we enter, no they end. Check up now for this country when kidnapping start now for Easter, you go to hear news. Father and son got missing. How many? 2. You go to hear mother and child found missing. How many? 2. When we enter for that side, the word kidnap change for that our side. We know Sabi no supposed to move. The word kidnap can change to adopt. You go hear the full community of Chibok was adopted. For that on our side, unknown government go just carry bus, go keep, carry 2, Sienna. For that was how they pack 4 posters, the full community go enter. We go there for 2 weeks. Bamba was then they do protest for you. Hold on. My time don't they finish. They do protest for you. End bad governance. See the people when they lead the protest, they come. We are tired of this government. Enough of all this government in power. Energy. You know why? Then they eat come the protest. That was side. Person they use 6 weeks passing. Come outside. First of all, the meaning of protest for us are not be even good thing for here. Zanga zanga. It sounds like waiting go good. As soon as they do for it, end bad governance, end bad governance. If police throw tiaga here, end of protest. Don't more oversee. For the first time when not enter protest, you wanna see the difference. As then they do, end bad governance. I see me this thing end for Abuja, me no come. Protest branch enter Kaduna. Early money don't come out. End bad governance, end bad governance. Now so then they come outside, they won't ask one say, why not they go and say, I don't know, then they end something, end bad governance. Governance. Now, do you know part of the reason why they always say they know they do protest? Now, say some people will be anti-protest, they mastermind the protest to loot. Listen, when you they loot for Lagos, you go enter supermarket, person go pick what you eat, what you need. What you need. If we loot for that side, oh, subhanallah. Early morning as a end bad governance for Kaduna, one guy just walk out home. In look one guy when dress killing say, yeah, nature, man. This morning, I get traffic to go by. The guy no understand. I say, I get traffic lights you go by. As in the end bad governance, that guy don't go remove yellow, green, and the guy when they just say I get traffic light to go by, the guy going to say, what will I do with traffic light? He don't provoke the guy. He say, how about now for you? Why they be able like say if it's more became? You don't know say if you buy this traffic lights, nobody will go to control you for road. That is Kaduna. End bad governance. Then they do the go. I can't say God. I pray say may this protest end for this Kaduna. See, you know one thing about Kano people? There's a slogan in Kano for Hausa. Kode mekazo ampika. It means whatever you come with, we are greater than you in that thing. If you think say you're mad, we are madder than you. When they do that end bad governance, Kano people, their barotongo is not be your normal one. You know here you take alcohol before you get high. For there we are high from sleep. End bad governance. Now their own barotongo is a 2 syllabic. End bad governance. They know they run. Now police they run. As they go, end bad governance. Now police control Tiagas. The first one when you front catch them. Pick Tiagas. Now, do you know that one thing I love about Kano people, they don't steal. Kano people will not loot, but they will do something when the president will feel the effect. Now only can know for the first time saw another country flag. Go to go Russia to fight Nigeria. But say, put to come now wow. And my father say my live comedy. If you see what then they give me now, it go funny. No, we saw one money I did raise my go MC wedding. My father go here how much they pay me to MC wedding. Jos K say Sarkin. Really? Now I said daddy, this is how they scope me. Say this your work, you go carry your boy along. Go. What? My time remain 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's be serious. Now, you know in this country, anything when they happen, once you reach Maiduguri, shut down. Check up now. See, for Maiduguri, they know they loot like normal people. If they want loot, they will loot the full area, make news there. Like the news go there for too long. Now, as they come and say, end by the governance, end by the governance, end by the governance. Police going to go back, police going to retire to the barrack, retire. You know, I them not be normal audience. Then they go from Niger, Sudan, and other borders. So they come out, because they notice a crowd there for other states. They say, yeah, nah, this one where other people they gather. Come be like say we don't get population. May we end this country. End this country. Now, when they start the loot, you go no say they loot. I get 40-something seconds. Listen. As and bad governors and can notice one line. Say, Kai, that shall go something there we can chop. Them both enter supermarket. Then carry biscuit, one even carry cheese balls. He know to the family and I smell and say, share the master and daddy. They live there, they enter the next shop, waiting their boutique, then carry clothes where they go where one even carry female mannequin say, yo, and that's some companion. Now I wish they end for there. They enter the next building, waiting their library as they enter. And bad governance. No one can say, oh, when only books you put for you. And my brother say, Kai, no be book carry me call. Now just the chair and table me I come back. The back chair and table no carry one thing. But I feared when this guy entered the next building for the street, waiting there, hospital lab. This is my final joke now. As they enter inside, they notice syringe, medicine, they don't understand. One can see one thing will be like shell, now open now. Carry one bottle, they write on top, specimen. See, once they don't re-echo one word, no say they don't know one. Specimen. Now you come right here, you don't see specimen before. That one come and say, specimen. Specimen. I know specimen, I know even know say they don't do juice. This guy drinks specimen E. Code urine where get gonorrhea for 2 years.
Forget about it. I know by
M.O.P. Laughing Star.